So hello guys, welcome back to the video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install iOS 27 on your iPhone. So first of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on General. Now after this tap on Software Update. Now here tap on Off next to Beta Updates. And now here you will see these four options of iOS 27 Developer Beta, iOS 26 Public Beta, and iOS 26 Developer Beta. From here select iOS 27 Developer Beta. Now once you do this, go back and now here you will see iOS 27 Beta. Click on Update Now and now enter the passcode of your iPhone. And now you will see Terms and Condition. Tap on Agree. Tap on Agree again. And now this says Update Requested. Now wait for a few seconds. Now this is downloading iOS 27 Beta. So wait until the process is completed. This might take a few minutes. And now the update is downloading. And now the update is downloaded. It is saying preparing update. And after a few seconds, this will start installing the update. So this I can install iOS 27 on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.